Hey computer, what is a logo?
A logo is a graphic mark, emblem, or symbol used to aid and promote public identification and recognition.
The Wikimedia movement uses many logos, and those logos have evolved over time. These days, people ask computers questions with their voices, and major search engines that serve the public query Wikimedia projects to do this. Unfortunately, the public does not always know that this knowledge comes from Wikimedia. Hey computer, what are logos used for again?
Used to aid and promote public identification and recognition.
So the Wikimedia Foundation is holding a discussion to explore the possibility of developing and designing a sound logo for Wikipedia. This exploration is public and hosted here